Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from PrizePicks to your bank account. Alright, let's begin. First, open the PrizePicks application on your device. Once you are on the home menu, look for the drop-down menu. In this menu, you will find various options, including a live support Discord group. Scroll down until you see the Request Withdrawal option. This is the option you want to select. Before making a withdrawal, ensure that you have previously deposited some cash into your PrizePicks account from your bank account. If you have made a deposit, your withdrawal request will be successful. Click on Request Withdrawal, and PrizePicks will send you a one-time OTP code to verify your request. Enter this code in the designated field. After entering the OTP, select the amount you wish to withdraw. The funds will be deposited directly into your bank account without any further action required from you. Do keep in mind that there is an eligibility criterion for withdrawals. You need to complete the required playthrough amount before withdrawing funds. If everything is in order and you've deposited from your bank account, the withdrawal will be processed successfully. So that's basically how you can withdraw money from PrizePicks to your bank account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.